Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So today we are going to unbox microphone and GoPro adapter. So I got this from Amazon. It's from JBL. The model number is CSLM20. So the best feature of this model is it comes with earpiece which we can use for monitoring our audio. So this is the new model from JBL. It is from JBL commercial. I think it's a new segment from JBL which makes inexpensive devices. And this one is the mic adapter which I got from I am a student. It says it costs 2000, but I got it around 900 for this. It's an omnidirectional lavalier mic with windshield. It says perfect for video calls and conference calls, compatible with smartphone and laptops, comfortable earphone for real-time monitoring and video calls. If you want, if you're interested, you can purchase from the link which I provide in the description box. And this one is GoPro adapter. I got it from I am a student. There is no stock in Amazon. I'll provide the link for this as well in my description box. Packaging looks very good. So let's see how it is from inside. So let's begin. Let's start with JBL microphone first. Let me get my unboxing knife, which is right beside me. So now I'll pretend that I am opening this box right now. Actually, I opened this box and kept it back. So let me just repair everything. So we get a user guide, which is very important. We need to read everything which is there in this before using this microphone, which I already did. And we get one extra clip that we can attach to our shirt while using the microphone. This is the silica gel, which is Jack's favorite. Then we have one adapter, which is TRS, which can be used for your computer and everything. And this is the microphone, which is TRRS, which can be used for mobile devices. So it already has a clip attached and windshield as well. Okay, this is the carry pouch we get, which is premium quality. So this is the GoPro mic adapter from I am a student. Let me just unbox it quickly. Hello guys, so this is the audio sample from JBL microphone connected to the GoPro using my GoPro adapter. So this is the audio sample with the visor closed. We are going to do few tests. Let's see how that goes. So as of now the visor is closed and the microphone is right in front of my mouth. Let me take a right because I think there will be less traffic here on these roads. Let's see. Okay, so this is at 50-60 kilometers per hour with visor open. Let me know if you are hearing any wind noise. So there is lot of wind. Let me close the visor and see how it performs with at 60 kilometers an hour. So I just closed the visor. Today is Sunday. This empty helmet doesn't block any kind of wind. It is a bit difficult to ride in the highway. I have this visor, auto lock visor, but still that doesn't help me a lot. I probably need to get carbon racing visor or windshield, whatever you call, because as I heard that carbon racing visor is little bit tall compared to any other brands, so I need to check that one. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. So I'm planning to upgrade my Dominar. In case by upgrading I mean I'm going to install Powertronics piggyback ECU and going to make few changes on the bike along with cosmetic changes like wraps and everything. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. So guys, what is your opinion on the Zomato thing which is going on right now? Whose mistake do you think? Obviously we judge even before knowing both stories, so not sure what is the situation and whose mistake is that. कब हो जाता कि ये okay guys, that's it for today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Leave a like on this video and do check out my other videos. And if you have any suggestions, feedback, do let me know in the comment section. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you.